there anyone in the world who has never had a headache? In some cases, you can solve this pesky problem by yourselves. Yet sometimes, you should see a doctor immediately. Therefore, we've put together a detailed guide to help you identify 5 types of headaches and the best ways to get rid of them. Tension headache. This is the most frequent type of headache in the world. Everyone has experienced it at least once in their life. Here are the main symptoms. Tension headaches often cause a pressure that feels like you're wearing a tight band around your forehead. You might feel severe tension and spasms around your eyes and upper forehead. Also, you feel a dull, gnawing pain. Most often, the intensity of the pain increases from morning to evening. What causes this headache? The main factors that seem to contribute to tension headaches are severe stress, fatigue, poor posture, and holding the head in an improper position for a long time. Chronic tension headaches are rare and often are associated with head or neck injuries. How to get rid of it? You can take any appropriate painkiller, but you should only use them occasionally. If headaches occur frequently and last for a long time, consult your doctor. Also, try to be physically active, stretch your shoulders and neck regularly, and spend more time outdoors. Sinus headache. This type of headache is caused by sinusitis. It is often accompanied by fever, facial swelling, and tension in the forehead and cheekbone. Here are the main symptoms. You'll feel a deep pressure and pain in your forehead, around the eyebrows, and under the eyes. The pain usually gets stronger when you move your head sharply. This headache might also lead to a running or blocked nose. You might feel tired and weak. Sinus headaches are caused by sinusitis. They are also a common complication after a cold or during a seasonal allergy. Keep in mind that sinus headaches rarely go away on their own. If you have an allergy, antihistamines may help. In other cases, it is best to see a doctor who will most probably prescribe antibiotics. Migraine is often associated with a violation of the metabolic processes and a dilation of blood vessels in the brain. A person may also inherit the ability to get a migraine. All symptoms of this severe headache occur during a migraine attack that progresses through 4 main stages. The first is prodrome. It lasts for 1 to 2 days. You feel irritable, fatigued, and have an increased or decreased appetite. The second stage, aura. It usually lasts up to 30 minutes. You become sensitive to light, feel tingling and numbness, and might have speech disorders. The third one, resolution, might last up to 24 hours. You feel fatigued and have trouble concentrating on daily tasks. Might last up to 72 hours, during which you feel severe throbbing pain. Unfortunately, there's no cure for migraines, although a number of treatments are available to help ease the symptoms. You need to see your doctor to choose the right one. Moreover, regular exercise will help you improve your health significantly. Cluster headaches are rare, affecting less than 1% of the population. They are 5 times more common in males than females. It's hardly possible to confuse this headache with another one. A cluster headache may cause a stabbing pain behind or around your eyes, usually on one side of your head. It frequently develops during sleep. The pain usually lasts from 15 minutes to 1 hour. Symptoms might include redness of the eyes, sensitivity to light, and lacrimation. Scientists don't know exactly what causes cluster headaches. These headaches are most often linked to disruptions in the body's biological clock. Treating it can be tricky because the pain appears and disappears spontaneously and at a moment's notice. Only a doctor can help you solve this problem. Hangover. We hear many versions of why people often have a headache after drinking alcohol. One of them suggests that alcohol causes blood vessel dilation and affects serotonin levels in your body. Moreover, alcohol promotes water loss and dehydration that are major migraine triggers. The main symptoms are throbbing or dull aching pain, tightness, heaviness. The best remedy is to take a painkiller, drink plenty of water, and get some good sleep. Take a hangover seriously. If you have a headache after consuming even a small amount of alcohol, it may indicate that you're suffering from a mild form of migraine. We hope you never experience any of these headaches, but if you get one of them, it's better to consult a doctor before taking any medication. Do not self-medicate because the consequences can be dire. Thanks for watching.